But we're going to take you around. We're going to show you just a little taste of the flavor that we have. We've got Gator Claws. You'll meet Gator Claws. It's a great fun way. He's got on his airboat sleigh being pulled by an alligator. Little touch of Gatorland there. We've got a snowman forest we're going to take you to, and snowmen don't do well in Florida, and our guys are struggling, but it's lots of fun. We're going to have you on that. We've got a wonderful train ride where Bubba and the Skunk Ape stole Christmas. We're going to bring you back up front here just to get a little flavor of what we're doing here. We're doing this on weekends from now through Christmas. We love the locals love us. So this is what we're doing on the weekends, try and give them some good, safe fun to come out. We've been inspected twice by the Orange County Task Force. They give us flying colors, said we're the best attraction that they've visited all out through the county. It's a great, safe way for families to come out and enjoy the weekend. So
now, if y'all see one swimming from that way, say something. She laughed when I said that. I don't know if you're going to say anything.
This Miss My True Love gave to me. Well done. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me. Whoa, what was that? No, it's not two smushed badgers. Gator Claws is a little bit harsher with naughty people. You're not just getting cold, you're probably getting an injury of some kind. But would anyone like to get close and maybe get a selfie or a photo with them? Oh, this snowman has some moves. Yes. Not bad.
Warm hugs. Like his arms. What's happening?
You made a friend.
He's like the sweetest little guy ever. He's a little older. He's an older guy. He only lived about 8 or 10, so he's about 6. So he's like middle-aged or so. He's like a retired show skunk from another facility that they traveled with and stuff. So he's here to retire at Gatorland.
He's so cute.
Oh gosh, he's great.
We're gonna be taking you guys around, and it's our job to help Bubba find all his gifts today. Now this is the story of Bubba's Christmas crisis. Now let's see if we can find all his gifts and help him save Christmas.
Those were my presents. They were for me. But somebody stole them from under my tree. But I'll search the whole swamp. That's what I'll do. I'll find all my presents. Hey, I'll find the thief too.
He threw open the door of the suite double wide, and he stomped down the stairs and he walked outside. And there on the lawn was his first box, a gift from his aunt of camo print socks.
Camo print? Those socks will practically be invisible out here. I'm never gonna find them. Do you see them?
And he found the next gift, which he hurled to the lake. 'Twas the worst gift of all, a big old fruitcake.
Whoever's going around giving people fruitcakes, that's a one-way ticket to my naughty list.
Bubba kept searching high and low for the last of his gifts. Now where did they go? And there on the ground, Bubba spotted a clue. Some really big footprints, too big for a shoe. The tracks came from something that lived in the swamp. Something big, something hairy, with big feet that stomp.
That's it! I figured it out. Who snuck in my trailer and snuck my gifts out? I'll find him, that thief. He will not escape. I'm gonna catch him, that sneaky skunk ape.
And what was the gift? Just the best thing ever. A Bubba toy made out of twigs and some feathers. Then Skunk Ape said something Bubba'd always remember. That beautiful day in late December. He said,
Wow!
Bubba said as he wiped his tears.
Couldn't have said it better in a million years.
And jingle bells, Bubba smiles, who laid an egg. Gatorland's the place we love the working and the play. Hey, jingle bells, Bubba yells, yippee-ki-yo-ki-yay.
Yippee-ki-yo-ki-yay.
Have a Merry Christmas and a joyous holiday.
got our
sweet potato fireside fries. Let me get you a fresh one right here. These are sweet potato fries, a little bit of cinnamon and sugar with some cream cheese icing. Keep you warm during the winter. And we also have a mini version of our Gatorland Gobbler sandwich, which we'll be serving during our event as well. And this is very simple. It's just a little bit of turkey, Swiss cheese, cranberry mustard, rosemary sprig. So
Perfect, thank you.
The story is a story we wrote right here at Gatorland called Randolph the Pink-Eyed Alligator. He was so sad, and little Randolph the Pink-Eyed Gator said to himself, well, Sacagawea, I gotta do something to save Christmas. All of a sudden, Randolph looked up in the sky and saw in a haze of magic and sparkles and glitter and Christmas lights a really, really big, beautiful figure with the most biggest gigantic wings and hair flowing like spun gold and blue eyes and a halo, and she was magnificent. You see, she was Randolph's Christmas angel. And she told Santa Claus, Randolph here has pink eyes that glow like the headlights on an 18-wheeler, and little Randolph could help you see through the darkest of nights. So Santa Claus said, little Randolph with your eyes so bright, why don't you sit on Dasher's head tonight? And well, little Randolph climbed up there and grabbed a hold of Dasher's antlers, and Savannah jumped on Santa's sleigh and they went, yee-haw!
He's just holding on to it by the skin. That's always the best part, is the skin.
Merry Christmas and a joyous holiday season from all of us here at Gatorland.
I know, happy holidays. Yeah, there you go. Like it now.